Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am in Michael's and their beautiful Easter decor has arrived, so you know what that means. Let's go shopping. They are putting out some really great things at Michael's, and I want to point out like my top 10. You guys know right now we are packing and moving into a new home, so I've got a lot on my plate. So I'm going to point out my top 10 of the new items this season, and then we're going to peruse it all. So my absolute favorite item so far is this sign. It is $19.99. I just adore it. It is so beautiful. So I would love to pick it up, but you guys know we're packing boxes. I can't do that right now, but it goes perfectly with their chocolate molds. And I already own the little lamb and these two bunnies. They range in price from $14.99 down to $12.99, and I am picking up this little guy. So I definitely think my number 2 item is a new item this season, and there are 2 of them. They are super lightweight, and they're just little egg cutouts with some bunnies. This one with the carrots in his basket, and this one with the eggs. These would be precious side by side, maybe of a mirror, and they're each $19.99. Now, while their egg carriers are back again, I think this is the 3rd year in a row. They're so cute. I don't remember seeing this sign last year, and it is $9.99. Down here they've got another new item this year, these little oval cutouts. So they've got the Happy Easter with a little blue bunny and Hello Spring with a little white bunny, and these are $7.99 a piece. So I'm going to show you guys my favorite items over here in the more colorful collection, and then I will do a whole shelf by shelf walkthrough. They've got these really cute bikes. They are $19.99. They've got a pink and a teal one, and they're both metal with little flowers in the baskets. And down here they've got 2 new signs. So these are $29.99. Love the shape of them. This one with the pink trim is in Welcome Friends. That is a dark gray text. And then they have this one. It's so cute, in Every Bunny Welcome in the teal. Another one of my favorites are always the canisters. These are $14.99, and they come in the blue, the minty green, and a lavender. And 2 new things this season. Now they are $14.99, so you're going to want to use your coupon, but it comes in 2 versions. This one in the blue and pink in Welcome Home, and this one in the yellow and blue in Hello Spring. And can we just talk about the bunny that's back here? It is $24.99, has a little blue basket. This would be great with some eggs or some greenery in it, and she just has the most precious little face. Another new item that I think is adorable. Oh, I wish I could pick it up. Pick your own farm fresh produce with the carrots on it. Just a little box sign. This one does have a hanger and is $12.99. And it also comes in this one, which is the bunny Cottontail Farms locally grown. These are so cute. Now the rocking bunny is back from the last couple years. Question, it's still $19.99. Last year, did it have a curl on this end as well? Because this year it's just at the front. And before we look at everything, this is my last favorite to share with you right here up front in Hello Spring with the yellow. Just a really cute little street sign. It is metal and also comes in the teal in Happy Easter. Now I'm going to take you guys through shelf by shelf to take a look at everything. Let me know what you call this. Browsing, perusing. What other words are there for it?
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, You're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference. Oh, you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I I just need you. I know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Alright, you guys, I just turned the corner and guess what? I found more Easter. So let's get to it. Let's take a look at what they've got. This is a much more colorful collection. So I want to show you guys these rain boots. They are really cute. They're very lightweight. I love the yellow. They also have it in the teal and the pink. They're $14.99. Also really like these little Birdhouse garden stakes. So they have a few different ones. Those are $19.99 a piece. And over here, a couple things that I think are going to be really popular. They have this little guy in a teal truck. So cute. Pretty lightweight. It is $39.99. And then down here they have a camper to go with for $16.99. So I do want to point out this part is plastic. I thought it'd be metal. And then this is a pressboard wood. They also have this really cute sign for $9.99. Now let's take a look at everything on the shelf. You guys enjoyed coming along with me today to see what is hitting the shelves for their spring and Easter decor at Michael's. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.